Um, I want to talk about scandal. I'm depressed. I'm depressed about scandal this week, and I'll tell you why. Scandal is giving me a feeling like I can't trust anybody. And I think if you watch this week's episode of Scandal, you know where there's these emotions are coming from. It's coming from it's coming from Jake, that little Jay-Z A's jiggerfoot, dirty jankro who we need to write out of this place, right? Because at this point, I don't even know who Jake is working for anymore. To be honest, I cannot keep up. He's not on double dealing, he's like triple dealing and quadruple dealing. He's serving himself, plus he's serving like 5 other people. It's like he's a waiter or something. I don't know who Jake is working for anymore. I see him meet people in the park, and it's like I forgot go back in the character directory to figure out who this person is. All I know is that he's doing wrong. And while Jake is doing wrong, he's breaking and entering Olivia's apartment. At least when Edison, no Ellison, or Addison, what man name what Oliver used to do with the black man when she used to do with him. When he used to go in, he used to have key. But Jake I pick Olivia lock, I call her and I sweet her up to find out if she dead home and I pick her lock. Which is why Olivia, you need to learn to tell lie, you know. Sometimes you need to tell people that you're on the road when you're actually home to see who is going to break and enter into your house. Because honestly, you're living too above board for somebody who have plenty of people trying to take you down. But this Jake man is kissing Olivia and making her fall in love with him while he's triple dealing on Olivia, and he's seemingly triple dealing on the US government and all of these things. I feel like I cannot trust anybody in this show anymore, and I don't know if I should decide that I can't trust Shonda as well, but I don't have any trust. And then what are they trying to do to try to make Hollis into a human? Hmm? You're going to try to make Doyle into a human by making him shed all of these type of long crocodile tears and all of those type of things. And I'm not really available for that. I have no interest in that. I am glad that Alice's daughter did turn out to be a viper, because it need to learn that the sins of the parent shall be visited upon the child, and it is visiting ours right now. See them right here. Alice, you really did feel sick. You would have got that little pit there. A child between $20 million and family, when the family is a junker like you, and she got pick the family after you train her up. So from me see it, me know say something never right. Me never think that the daughter do it to herself. Me think that the mother and the daughter did a plan up, because the mother want milk Alice out of the money before the divorce come true. But when me see the little ears come saw off, when me look, me never actually feel say the ears gone, because me see the hair come down. So me say the girl still have the ears because she go to school and she know how to do them type of something there. Me did know say something never right like that. She is a Doyle, Hollis. She is a Doyle. Everybody knows say your type of people chew up nail and spit out sheet metal and turn on sell the sheet metal and make a profit, despite the fact that the nail them joint kill your intestines and you is dying of lead poisoning. Alice, you should have known better than to feel like the child was going to be any better than the parent. You did set yourself up for that one, dear. Melly, make we talk about you now. Melly, I have mixed feelings towards you, right? I'm see you try fix things. I'm see you walk up and down in the White House like your banner, or you go fix things and you go start things out. Melly, the only thing that you have ever managed to sort out is to sort your way out of Fitz's life. That's the only thing you've ever managed to sort out. You cannot manage anything with or without Olivia Pope. You cannot actually manage anything. But that little speech the way you give Fitz, me like that speech there. Because Fitz has what? Fitz has been walking up and down acting like a yam powder and in poop essence, right? He's been walking up and down and acting like content beef need to be put in whatever it is that him let out into the toilet and moving it into the mass production, right? Fit somebody they need to level you down to size, and Melly just level you. Not even your pitting them don't like you because you have a stink attitude and a drinking problem. Fit somebody needed to get you in line. And I'm glad that Melly is the one that do it to make you know that you're an ogre, and that's why Olivia need to left and done with you, because you are not up to the standard of person that Olivia need to deal with. But Melly, when you are trying to talk to Fitz, you don't need to be throwing shade at Olivia. I caught that little comment that you made about what Olivia had between her leg and what Fitz thought it was and all of those things. There's no need for you to try to throw wifey shade at Olivia and all of those types of things. Everybody knows what the situation is. Let's not go there. We've seen the sex scenes with Olivia and we've seen the sex scenes with you. There are no sex scenes with you. Clear whatever Olivia had between her legs is working. Take your mind off of that. What is the next thing that I need to talk about? Queen and Oak. Queen and Oak, yes, this thing that everybody have. I know you guys want to call it Huckleberry Queen. Yes, I see it's very funny, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I see it's going to be a trending topic. Okay, Huckleberry Queen. Okay, so Huckleberry Queen, and how it is that Huck is gifting Queen of her own family to stalk. Huck. The last woman who understood your need to stalk a family of people and accepted you as you were killed that family and almost tried to kill you up. Any woman who understands this part of you is not a woman that you need to be with. I don't know how I can get this through to you. If the girl is okay with the fact that you're not okay, the girl is not okay. Don't trust her. Don't trust her. Tin lip ready or get back David Rose and everybody happy. Let me see if there's anything that you need to talk about, because I feel like there is something that I did forget. Be glad how them finally explain how it is that Melly and Fitz have two picnic, have amateurs, and we don't see them. The children don't want to come out now because they don't like Fitz. Shonda, how are you going to explain to us all of the years before this, before Fitz would have the drinking problem where the children were nowhere to be found? Because I find it strange that in a country where family values is what they are selling to people, you can have a president not showing any children anywhere. You want to explain that to me? You care to explain? Is there anything else that I need to talk about? No, I think those are the main points. What we're gonna do with Jake? Somebody wanna respond under this or tweet me at More Mayhem or something. Wanna tell me, because we need a solution for Jake, because Olivia is falling for him and I don't want him around, and I don't want Olivia to get hurt, and I definitely don't want Olivia to take up with another one of Fitz Coney, them who have the same bad attitude as Fitz. So write under this video or something and tell me what it is that we need to ask Shonda to do with Jake, because the present trajectory of the script is problematic for me. You hear me? Those are my grad school words. Talk up to my university education at work for you. Okay, please, thanks, bye.